So we can make a greedy cup by using a normal cup and a straw. You can take a cup like this and you can put a hole here and you can insert like this and put a sellotape. So this will act as the tube for the experiment. So this tube is called as a Pythagorean siphon, that is a tube. So now we'll do the experiment again.
Now let's pour the water and then check whether this acts as a greedy cup or not. We have to pour still. See, now the water is not flowing out. You can hold water till above the straw. So when the water reaches above the straw, it will start dripping out. So let's see whether this one stops or not. See, it didn't stop at all. It is trying to suck all the water inside the cup and it's pouring out. See, now the cup is empty. So now this is a greedy cup.
So we have seen an experiment using this. This is the principle used in liquid detergent dispenser in all the washing machines. Thank you. You can try this in your home if you have a cup and a straw. Thank you.